Welcome to our tutorial on how to budget for staff augmentation services. Start by weighing the costs against the expected benefits of augmentation. Work with vendors who are willing to offer you clear and transparent pricing models. Include staff augmentation in your financial planning and forecasts. This helps you to stay prepared for future budget adjustments. Be aware of any potential hidden costs in contracts to avoid surprises and ensure accurate budgeting. Regularly assess the value delivered by augmented staff to ensure ongoing benefits. So, if you follow these steps, you can successfully align staff augmentation with your goals and budget. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.